welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today I have 4 fun Valentine DIYs for you. Now these don't all have to be just for Valentine's Day unless they, specifically show Valentine's Day items on them, but 2 of them can be used for any other occasion as well. The 4th item I may end up putting in a separate video. I'll let you know shortly on in this video depending on how long it's going to be. So I hope you guys enjoy these fun DIYs, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as part of the family. All right, guys, let's get started. Now, all of these items are purchased 95% from the Dollar Tree. So that's fantastic because it's absolutely minimum cost to make these items. And there really is only the stickers here that were purchased from the dollar store, which I'll show you when we get to that DIY. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, so here is the first DIY. This is super simple to do. It is actually something I saw on Pinterest. Now, I'm not actually sure how the original was developed. I didn't really look into it further. I just saw it visually as a decor piece, and I really loved it. So I figured this would work just as well. And what I really liked about it is it's super subtle. So it's nothing too drastic. I think it's going to look really lovely in my living room, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So all you need for this is these foam stickers. Now these are stickers. I'm not using the sticker part. Actually, I might use the sticker part. We'll see. But these are just little foam stickers. You can actually get these without the sticker on the back. They had sparkle ones as well, but I wanted to go with non-sparkle. And other than that, are these paper clips and some hot glue, and all of these items were purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now this here is just for decor right now. I'll be using that later on in a DIY. DIY number one, really super simple. It's very chic and not too overpowering, which I absolutely love. Again, you don't have to use the paper clips. You can go with little clothespins if you do have a larger plant that you want to put these on. I also have lights, as you can see. Those lights are always in this plant, but if you want to add some lights as well, you can do so. They do sell them at the Dollar Tree. These ones in particular are actually from HomeSense, but they weren't very costly at all. All right, guys, I hope you like this simple DIY, and we're going to move on to the next. All right, guys, so here is DIY number two. So all we're going to be using today is these candle holders, which you can get from the Dollar Tree. They always have these, and you can make one of these or you can make two of them. I may end up making two, I'm not sure yet. Also, this floral, look how beautiful these roses are. So these are also from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up 2 white and I picked up 1 red. They also had pink as well, and they had some options with sparkles in them as well. The one item I did not get from Dollar Tree is these foam balls. They only had the green, like it was a weird shape green. They didn't have any circular that were the size I was looking for. So I got this from the dollar store for $1.50. And this was perfect because this was the exact size that I was looking for. And aside from that, guys, all else I'm going to be using is some hot glue. All right, so this is a Pinterest inspired idea that I saw that I really wanted to try out. Super excited to try this out and see how it turns out. All right, let's get started. have the final product. Now I'm probably going to go and get one more set of red roses just to fill in a few more gaps. Like a red rose would look really nice right here. But overall, I absolutely love how it turned out. It looks so beautiful. I would recommend, I got 3 sets of roses. I would recommend, if you're going to do this, get at least 4 or 5 if you really want to fill it out. Like I can use another one right here. So I'm definitely going to do that, and I may even make a second one, I'm not sure yet, or I'll just use this one as a centerpiece for my dining room table, but I just love how it turned out. You can also add in a really pretty bow right here. You can add on some rhinestones if you'd like. This would also make a beautiful centerpiece for a wedding as well. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that DIY. All right, guys, so DIY number 3 is super simple. I'm using just these 2 products that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I found this really beautiful sign, Love Every Moment. Now you can use this on its own. If you're looking for a decor piece, you just hang it right here, and it's a really beautiful banner. But I thought it would be really pretty to pair it with this love sign, which is also from the Dollar Tree. They also had this sign just in wood, so no butterflies. And you can also paint this, but it's so beautiful the way that it looks. So I'm going to be using those 2 items, which you can get at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to throw in a third item that was actually part of a gift I got at Christmas time, and it's this beautiful ribbon. It's just so pretty, so I thought I would recycle this, which was part of, like I said, a gift. I did put 2 little paper clips here just to hold it in the position that I want. But you know what? You guys can do that as well. You can reuse some of the items, some of the gift wrapping and things like that as well. All right, guys, this is a super simple, really quick, easy DIY. Guys, that I'm going ahead and gluing this down is because the weight of this will not allow you to hang this up. It'll just slop over. Also, you might notice during this DIY, I burnt my hands at least 3 or 4 times, which is why I usually wear those pink little plastic finger protectors that I've gotten a lot of comments on in the past, asking me where I got them from, which, by the way, is from the Dollar Tree. But I forgot to grab them before doing these DIYs today. And let me tell you, hot glue really hurts. Alright guys, so here is the final product. I do absolutely love how it turned out. I will actually be putting this on my front door. I couldn't show it to you today on the front door because I haven't put my Christmas decorations away yet, but that is where I'm going to be putting this sign. I am very happy with how it turned out. One recommendation, if you do try this, is I would have maybe put this over a little bit more here to center it a little bit more, but I'm a little OCD when it comes to that kind of stuff. Some of you may not care, so that's one little thing that I would have done, but super easy to do. And I just love how adding on this bow at the bottom added that little extra decor. I like that rusticy kind of look that it gives it. Super, super pretty and pleased. And I hope you guys enjoyed this really super quick DIY. All right, on to the next. Hey guys, so here is DIY number 4. It took a lot longer to do, so I did do a separate video for this. I will link that at the end for you to check out, and that's pretty much it. So love and peace to you all. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.